Hey guys, sorry I haven't been uploading for a long time. It's just I've been working on a thing. I've been trying to power scale my Roblox character, so it's been taking so long. But anyway, I'll post some more videos while I'm on breaks of doing my stuff. When I take breaks from doing the power scaling, I'll probably make some YouTube videos while doing that and upload some stuff. But I'll just tell you guys where I've been all these days. So, yeah, I'm sorry. But this video is going to be playing Subway Surfers Part 2. Bro, what is this goofy ad? Alright, let's do another playing Subway Surfers video. Let's do this. And if you're wondering what's in the background, it's me watching MHA. Mostly MHA is underrated. It's just the fandom that is so bad. Look into the fandom. You just don't look into the fandom if you like it. If you like the show, just with manga, don't look into the fandom. The fandom sucks. I'm like the 4% of normal people in the actual MHA fandom, and I that actually that only ship things that are actually canon already. Okay. Oh. Okay. Okay. You guys will never beat my high score. Bro, nobody's gonna beat my high score in Subway Surfers, even though people are probably gonna have some Subway Surfers world competition, and then they're probably gonna beat my high score, but whatever. There's an address that I need you to investigate. I'm Endeavor. I can take care of the rest of this myself. Go, guys. Oh yeah, sorry for not speaking. I'm just locked in, bro. Just locked in real quick. Because you are a criminal. Don't let him get away. And I am a hero. Okay, so okay. Oh, I want to see what happens if you go through one of those. Just get dizzy. No, no, no! Are you serious right now? Anyway, that's the end of the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.